Now we're going to make this mosaic sea turtle, and you can use it to decorate your locker or a bulletin board. Now back in the old days, they used ceramic tiles to make mosaics, but today we're going to use paper. So to make this craft, you're going to need some paper and in different colors and different weights, some hole punches, some glue sticks, repositionable and permanent, glitter glue, some sponges or paintbrushes to spread the glue around, a pencil, and some scissors. And you may even want some wiggly eyes to finish it off. So first you're going to want to go to our website and print out the pattern. Just print it out on regular text weight paper, and then we're going to cut it out. And what we're going to do for the very beginning is cut out the entire shape around the outside like this. And you go around the head and the shell and the fins, and then you can use the points of your scissors to get in the little grooves like this. Sometimes I have a hard time going around the edges. So we're going to go ahead and cut that out all the way until we have this piece here. You can see it's the whole silhouette. And now we're going to just use our pencil and go all the way around and trace it out like so. And then can you guess what we're going to do next? Yeah, we're going to cut that out too. So when you're done, you'll have a piece that kind of looks like this. All right, so now we're gonna get to the part where we make the pieces for the mosaic. And to do that, we're gonna take our original pattern, remember this one here? And we're gonna cut off the heads and the feet so that what we're left with is just the shell, like so. Okay, and then we can take this, and this is going to be our template. Now on another sheet of paper, we like this brown, but you could use green or whatever color sea turtles are in your area. And we're gonna print out just the shell. And again, you can find that pattern on the website too. So in order, let me just get this done because I like to have all my pieces laid out. Now we're gonna actually go ahead and cut out the mosaic bits on the inside. So if you go ahead and cut around, you're gonna kind of cut on the inside of that black line, which is kind of nice. You don't have to be super exact about it. And actually, truth be told, if you wanna go all experimental and freewheeling, you don't even have to follow the pattern exactly. You can just cut this up into chunks. And actually for younger kids, it's really easy just to cut this into a few pieces. Now once we've got them cut out, what we're gonna do is use a little bit of this repositionable glue and put them right in the same spot over here on our template. That'll help us keep everything kind of sorted out and organized as we're cutting. And once we do, we're gonna go ahead and start laying them on our piece of manila paper here, but we're gonna use the permanent glue for that so that we know that it'll stick down for a good long time. Put some glue here. I love purple glue because then I know when it's all dry too. So let me glue and stick. And we're just gonna go ahead and repeat this step, getting all of those little pieces down, making sure that we leave those little spaces in between. It's kind of like the grout in the mosaic showing through. And once we're all done, oh, we have to add the flippers. Don't forget to trace the pattern pieces on the manila tag for the flippers and the feet, cut them out, and then you can use a punch to create little bits of texture. And again, it shows through, which is really cool. And you can glue those down with your permanent glue as well. I'm gonna put this one down here. Now, if you wanna take it to the next level, go ahead and snip those apart into smaller pieces, creating even more of a mosaic effect. And then when you're all done filling him in like this, we're going to go ahead and put some glitter glue on top. Now you may want to protect your work surface. I'm going to take this piece of paper right here, and I'm just going to spread some of this pretty sparkly glitter glue right on top. And again, you can use any color that you want. And I'm going to use one of these little sponges. Sometimes Mom has them in the makeup kit, and they're really great for spreading the glue around because you can throw them away afterwards. And this adds a little bit of glitter, which we love, and it holds all the pieces down permanently, which is great. Now, if you want to add a finishing touch, you can add some little googly eyes to your swimmy turtle to give him some personality. If you get inspired and you really love this technique, why not take it to the next level? You can use pattern pieces that you find on our website or make your own to create things like coral or bubbles, and the process is the same. Trace it out on your paper, cut it into smaller bits, and then reassemble it to make your own underwater scene.